Ah, check it out. The family's still around. Not sure if you can see them, but family's a little bit nervous. Munching on a few alder bushes there. The one on the left, that's my cousin. The one in the middle, that's my cousin. And the one on the right, yep, that's my other cousin. And the ones down there, I think that's my aunt and uncle. And there's my great-great-grandfather. But, yeah, good to see the ptarmigan on the go. Freaking awesome. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer to them. How you doing? Oh yeah, the whole family's down from the north.